Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I just decided that randomly that I'm gonna go thrifting, and I wanted to kind of take you all along with me and kind of tell you all my selection process on how I pick my pieces and see what we can find today. I'm feeling kind of lucky today. I'm not sure what I'm going for. More of a spring vibe. I don't have many like pinkish pastel colors in my closet for whatever reason. I do like bright colors, or I normally have neutral colors like browns and blacks or whatever. So something different, something new. I feel like I'm gonna find like one of those diamond in the rough type of pieces today. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So go ahead and let's enjoy the ride together. We're gonna head out now. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below you all for more content. I will definitely be dropping more soon. I'll see you all on the way. Thanks. Alright, so as I arrive into the store, I really do not have any set spot that I normally go into, but sometimes I like to start within the short section, and I kind of just go through them. I typically go for brighter colors. As you can see, that is normally what catches my eye and determines which aisle I go in first. I like to quickly skim through the items. Unfortunately, sometimes I can quickly, just by taking at a glance, I can tell exactly which items I'm not even interested in. A lot of the clothes are dingy. I'm not there for that. I'm definitely not there for anything that looks like it's secondhand or thrifted. See, this yellow dress here caught my eyes. Looks like it has a good fabric on it. I just quickly scan the tag to see what the brand is, and I'm just going to quickly skim through it, make sure that it's not a damaged item, look to the back, make sure that there's no discoloration, and it looks good. You know, I love yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and bag that and put it in the cart, because this one has to go home with me today. Very nice color, good for the summer and the spring weather. I'm going to continue on and go through, again, looking for brighter colors, things that are eye-catching, and nothing dingy. Because I'm not looking for anything specific, I'm just gonna skim through the aisle and go ahead and head towards the other section where they have small clothing, and kind of skim through there and see what I find near the short section. So this black shorts, these are something that you want to look forward to, especially black. I rarely ever buy black or white at the thrift store. As you can see, it looks like it's been you know, overly washed and discolored. It is a fashion for you to wear your shorts like that. It's not something that I'm interested in, so normally when I see that, I kind of skim through it. But that's one of the things that I don't go for at the thrift store. But it is a Hollister shorts, and could definitely be worn. This is another great tip on how you can inspect your items before making a purchase. I kind of like to pull them out of the rack, and first off, especially with shorts and pants, make sure that if it has a zipper, ensure that the zipper is intact and is working. Sorry guys, I have the camera in the other hand, so I'm trying to pull up the zipper, but it looks like it's intact. While I check the front, I actually go towards the back as well. As you can see, these pants are damaged, and if it was to just look at the front, I would definitely have been happy and taking that home with me. I love those shorts. They actually go with one of my Nike Dunks that I have, but unfortunately not, so I had to bypass that. It's another example of just black being at the thrift store. We're not going for items like that. those are things that I personally give away, so I wouldn't go in there and purchase things, items as such, but it's to each his own. As I continue on, I just kind of again skim through the aisles to see what catches my attention. I always feel like what is meant for me would just be drawn to me, especially when I'm not specifically looking for anything in particular at the store. For whatever reason, I end up right back at this aisle, so it must be something in there for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the shorts section once again. This is actually a nice skirt. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. It might have been too short. I don't really like, again, I don't like revealing clothing. I don't like shorts that are too short by any means. Just a preference. This yellow skirt almost caught me, but I don't like the pleated skirts, and they're normally too long for me, so I left that behind. This was actually a really cute skirt as well. It's a wrap jean skirt. I don't know why I didn't pick it up as well, but again, something, I don't know, it just looks like something I wouldn't wear. And one of those things, if I don't fall in love with it immediately, like, oh, I gotta have it, I normally just leave it behind, because oftentimes I would purchase things and bring them home and end up having to give them away because I don't wear them as I should. So I'm very big on, if I'm not at love at the beginning, if it's not love at first sight, baby, it's being left at the store. Now this color and this skirt almost had me. I mean, it was love at first sight, but I can tell just by looking at it that it was definitely too large for me. It was a size large, that it was too big, so I left it behind. But I don't know, it was wishful thinking. I definitely had to check out the tag to make sure that I was correct. Again, I'm going to continue to skim. It's just very quickly, again, if you're not at love at first, do not force yourself to make these purchases, because these are, I mean, if I'm thrifting, I'm just buying little items that I think that I need. I'm not sitting here trying to fill up my closet with unnecessary items. Again, this is someone else's trash. This is another example of how to inspect your clothes. As you can see towards the middle here, between the thigh area, there's some lint that has accumulated between the thighs, and that's something you want to check for as well. You don't want to wait till you get home and check that. So you can purchase it and get a lint remover roller, but I don't want to go through that entire process. But it's something that I specifically check for when I find pants. Now these shorts right here, and that baby automatically went straight to the cart. Okay, if you notice, I did not check the tag on it, I did not check the price on it, I did not check anything. It looked like it fit straight to cart. I love the shorts, and it actually made it home with me. So great purchase, great item. And summer and spring is coming up. I want to be prepared. Up within the skirt and short section, I'm going to head over to the shirts and blouses. I wasn't sure that I'm in the small section because I want to be in and out again. I rarely ever purchase clothes, tops from the thrift store. As you can see, that black top is really dingy, looks overwashed, and not something that I would purchase. Same thing with this top here. This yellow looks overwashed, dingy, needs to be thrown away. Again, I rarely ever find tops at the thrift store that I feel are new, and it takes too much energy and time for me to go through it. I might as well purchase it new. Another great tip is to always check the return cart next to the fitting room. These are items that others have actually tried on, and you could possibly find some great hits there. These are things that have caught others' attention, and they simply probably didn't fit or didn't fit their body type. So I always check the return rack and see if there's anything gold gems in there waiting for me to take home with. That was actually a very nice jumper. Love the color, very springy. I did try it on. The only issue is it was way too big. It was a medium. I was really trying to see if there was a way I can alter it. This was actually also a unique blazer dress that I noticed. It's actually attached, completely attached, and it was very unique. It was a little too large for me, and more of on the vintage vibes, which I'm trying to stay away from at this point. So, but great option. This skirt was so cute. I actually love the denim look of it, and the color, the pleat on in the front, but unfortunately it was too large. I did have to leave that behind, but another great option as well. Again, the return rack near the fitting room always has some amazing pieces. Never disappoints. Alright, you all, so these are the items that I purchased. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick view. That is the yellow dress. Upon shopping, I also found this nice little lavender dress. This pink blush looking romper that actually looks like a dress when it's on. I have this leopard top that I cannot wait to style. I actually need to get some red pants in order to wear that with. I would love to style it with that. I found another romper. Another jumper. I didn't realize I had so many jumpers in the car, and behind that is another jumper and another jumper after that as well. I'm actually going to do a lookbook on all of these items and show you how I style them, but I wanted to kind of show you now the items I purchased. This was actually really good. I love that print on there, and it ties at the ankle. This was like a black top, oversized top. You can put a belt over it. Now those jeans I'm completely excited about. They're oversized and I cannot wait to style them. And last but not least, I have this jacket. Thank you all for shopping with me. I hope you've learned some great tips on how you can accomplish your thrifting at the thrift store. Again, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite piece as well. Again, I will go ahead and upload the Tron haul once I have that recorded, and I will have that posted in the comments as well, so you can check that out once it becomes available. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching.